Hello, Joan of Art here. Let's learn Ilonggo, and I'm your native speaker to guide you through. I have two words for today. They rhyme, but they're not related actually. It's TANI and GANI. The only reason why I'm putting them together here in this tutorial is that they sound quite alike, but they're just worlds apart actually. So let's first discuss the word TANI. If you're around Ilonggo speakers, you must have probably heard TANI 1,000 times. TANI means it's so hard to describe. There's no direct English translation for TANI. It sort of means like it's kind of a wishful thinking. So when you're hoping for something, or when you're wishing for something to arrive or to happen or to be fulfilled, you say TANI, or I hope so. TANI, maulan lang, I hope it rains. TANI, maabot na ang kwarta, I hope the money will come. TANI means I hope, or I hope so. Another meaning for TANI is when you're asking, ano TANI? Is there something that you have in mind? So for example, when someone comes to you for an inquiry, like, pwede ka pamangkot? Or can I ask you something? And then you would reply, ano TANI? What is it you have in mind? So that's how you would use the word TANI. GANI, on the other hand, is a reiteration of something. So when you say GANI, like I told you so, or that's what I'm saying, GANI. GANI is like, yeah, I said so, I told you so. GANI man. I thought so too. GANI man. So you've probably heard those words a lot of times when around Ilonggo speaking people. GANI, no? Yeah, right. GANI man. So GANI and TANI, they're not twins. They have very different meanings and usages. Let's see if we can use TANI and GANI in one and the same sentence. Nice. TANI, makadto ka dino. GANI man. Oh yeah, well, okay, that's TANI and GANI. I hope you come here. And GANI, yes, I agree, or I affirm. So TANI and GANI. TANI bala, maulan na. GANI man. GANI man, I hope so. So one is saying, I hope it rains, and the other affirms by saying, GANI man. So that's how you use TANI and GANI. This is Joan of Art. If you want to know more about Ilonggo words, those expressions that bother you, comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye for now. TANI. Something that you have in mind. Okay. So here we go. It's something that you have in mind. So, and